My preferred way to edit web pages is with WebDav. You can use this method of managing your web space after setting up WebDav. Here, I'll connect to my BlueHost web space using WebDav. I'll create a new IMS222 folder. Then I'll play around with creating a new page, testing the page with the web browser. I'll also edit the page and show my workflow for editing code. Next, I'll duplicate a page to show how I make the page for the next assignment. Finally, I'll delete the page. You'll see how quick and easy it is to manage a website using WebDav, and will probably wonder why anyone would use anything else. This is for the Mac. You will follow a similar method for Windows. Whenever you see Command listed for Mac, you can generally use Alt for Windows. First, let's connect to our web space. Click on the background to select Finder. Command K, enter the server address. Use the plus sign to save it for later, and then connect. Enter your username and password if it's not saved. Create a new subfolder. I like column mode on my Mac. We'll work in the www folder, then in the IMS222 folder. Right-click to create a new folder. Call it IMS222. Put that in your www folder. Create a new document using your text editor. Type Hello World and save it to your desktop. We'll call it web page 00.htm. We're going to open up a new window and drag that document to the web browser. Here you can see I opened up a new window. I'm going to go to the desktop, and then I'm going to drag that to my web space. Let's check it. Here you can see my web space, and there's web page 00. I click on that, it says Hello World. Let's make an edit to that document. I'm going to delete the desktop document because I do not need it any longer, and I don't want to get confused as to which one I'm working on. I'm going to right click on webpage00.htm on my web space, and I'm going to open it with BB Edit. I'll make a little edit and save it. Command Tab to get over to my web browser, Command R to reload it, and there you see a little edit. I'm going to make one more change. Command Tab, type something, save, which is Command S, Command Tab, Command R to reload, and there it is. Now for our first assignment, it should only say Hello World, so I'm going to remove that extra text. And we're ready to go. Let's go ahead and make web page 1. I'm going to right click and do duplicate. There's a similar method for Windows where you do copy paste. And now I'm going to right click on that and do rename and call it web page 1. I'm going to right click on that one. And here's a little Mac trick for you. You can do get info and you can change it to open with BBEdit, and you can change all documents to open with BBEdit that are .htms. Now when I double click on it, it should open with BBEdit. And I'm going to change the text. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to yell at you. And let's check it. We can go directly to the page. And it says new text. For practice, let's make one more file and we will learn how to delete that file using WebDav. I'm going to right click on this and duplicate. And I'm going to call this testing. And I clicked outside of that file, but still in the folder. If I right click on it, I see move to trash. On Windows, I believe it says delete. We get the delete option, and now it's gone.